Hey, what's up, YouTube?
So today we're at FoShan, Guangdong right now,
Guangdong province.
which is like a, would you call it?
Full city.
Would you call it a second-tier city?
Yeah.
Well, it's kind of like a second-tier city. That's why you see all these stores opening. I mean, still open and
9 o'clock. Almost 9 o'clock already.
and right, just all these people on the street. Cause like in Guangzhou, I don't think
9
like
o'clock already. The store closes. It almost closes.
I don't think people buy from these like
Those stores?
retail stores anymore. That's the thing. So we're getting some pretty cheap desserts right now, and they cost about like 50 cents each.
50
right?
cents each?
Right.
You mean Canadian dollar?
Right, Canadian. So 50 cents Canadian each.
Wow.
So
Really
pretty cheap dessert, Russian dessert. So that's the dessert place we are at right now. It looks pretty busy. I mean, it's open 24 hours. That's why.
Really?
Yeah, I think it opens 24 hours
I don't think so.
until 3 a.m.
No.
I think because I've been here at like 2, 3 a.m. I think it's still open. So I assume it opens till pretty late. But anyways, let's grab dessert. So we're getting. 笑我操！好冰啊！鮮奶攞唔攞個？邊旁邊。Let's say like how many of these we got? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
No, this is seven.
Right, 7, right? So 7 desserts for about 676 Canadian and 506 US dollar. Yeah, but anyways, the price is pretty cheap. So let's try the dessert. So first plate is there's steamed milk
Steamed milk.
I think it's
Steamed milk.
something like steamed milk, but
Yeah.
everything's sweet right here, and I think everything's sweet. So we got a steamed milk here,
Sesame.
another kind of milk pudding here, sesame.
This one is
It's definitely milk.
it's nuts. It's nuts called.
Oh right.
Onion.
It's
almond.
Almond.
Yeah.
So
This is
something-
almond.
almond pudding, something like that. That's the mango with
Mango with the.
it's the mango dessert.
No, mango with the tapioca.
And
Small
I'm not sure why I ordered it this and that.
This one is my order. This one's the red bean ice.
They're not really ice. They are like sugar
No
water.
ice in there.
They're sugar water.
Sugar water.
They're like the canned food you get with the water inside.
Yeah, it is.
That's essentially what they are. And we got this other dessert that I forgot the name of. What's that thing again? What's that thing over here?
This one is the sushi with the papaya.
Same thing with this like sesame.
Sesame one. Really tasty.
It's good. Yeah, it's good.
Of course.
Right. Because I tried it.
It's not that sweet. It's not that sweet comparing in Guangzhou. It's really, really sweet.
Anyways, I guess I'll go for the mango one right now.
Mango one.
I think so far the best will probably be the sesame. No, the steamed milk and the sesame.
The sesame one's really tasty. And those two canned soup water is really, really sweet.
So I'm not sure if I can finish this because like
I don't think
after
so.
the mango,
You can finish it. It's too much.
after the mango, it's like this is getting like a little bit sweet. I told you like I didn't want this, right? With the milk pudding, right? I was like I don't want this. Right? And then you were like, yeah.
No, I'm really weird, so it is.
I guess let's give it 5 more minutes. If like nothing changes, I guess I'm done with this.
Cannot finish it.
Right, so let's call it a day for now. Normally, like I think actually I didn't order that. Okay, to be fair, like I was like 6 is enough, right?
6 is good enough.
Right, but this guy orders like another one, right?
No, you say you're looking for the papaya, right?
Yeah,
so
look
I
at all
order
these
for
people,
you.
right?
Whole bunch of people is like over here. See you soon. Stay tuned us. Subscribe
Alright,
our
see ya,
channel,
bye.
right?